Access to adequate heating, hot water, cooling, lighting, and energy to power appliances must not be a privilege. It's a basic need. It's what makes a home energy efficient, secures decent living standards, and good health. Yet across Europe, millions of people still struggle to meet these needs. Energy poverty affects mostly those living in buildings with poor energy performance, with low incomes, or those who simply can't meet high energy costs. The consequences are serious: poor health, financial stress, and a deep sense of exclusion while facing today's energy transition. Addressing energy poverty requires more than just addressing energy needs. It requires fair and inclusive solutions that will improve the lives of all. To respond, the European Commission launched the Energy Poverty Advisory Hub, or EPAH, in 2020, the central platform for energy poverty expertise in Europe. Its mission is to eradicate energy poverty and accelerate the just energy transition of local communities. EPAH brings together stakeholders from governments, civil society, researchers, and experts. Through international and local events, EPAH aims to share ideas and build a strong collaborative network. It offers an open access platform with useful data, publications, policy updates and analyses, case studies and tools, helping decision makers and communities take informed and confident actions. On the ground, EPAH provides tailored support to local communities, from analyzing local needs to planning and implementing real solutions. Become part of the network by joining the growing community. Subscribe to the EPAH newsletter and explore how you can support Europe's fight against energy poverty at energy-poverty.ec.europa.eu.